Hello, I'm Dr. Chong. I'm the colorectal surgeon at Paragon Surgical Specialists, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about hemorrhoids today, since it's a very common complaint that I see in my office. Most common presentation would be painless bleeding, especially after bowel movements, and most importantly, anytime you have rectal bleeding, you definitely need to go to the hospital for further evaluation, whether it be to a gastroenterologist or to me for a colonoscopy, because we need to rule out any other possibilities of the cause of rectal bleeding. Now, let's say everything else is ruled out and we know that the bleeding is coming from internal hemorrhoids. Well, this is what I do. There's multiple ways of treatment for this, and there are easy things that we can do first, such as medical treatment and over-the-counter options. Next, we can do medical treatment in terms of requiring prescription therapy. And lastly, there are many surgical therapies that I can use to help treat your hemorrhoids. There are newer techniques now that doesn't require the excisional hemorrhoidectomy that our parents and our grandparents used to have to go through. I tell my patients that those type of procedures would make you hate me for about a month. Now with the newer types of techniques, the pain is much less and it's a much shorter duration. So with post-operative management, after undergoing a hemorrhoid surgery, obviously there's going to be pain involved. Now, there are other ways to battle pain instead of narcotics, especially the bad name that narcotics are given now through the media. I want all my patients to take stool softeners and fiber to make sure that they are not constipated, because last thing you want to do is stress the area that is healing from an incision. Secondly, there are over-the-counter options such as ibuprofen that you can take around the clock if you don't have any predisposing conditions that prohibit you from taking that. And lastly, sitting in a warm bathtub for about 15 minutes at a time, 4 times a day, will actually provide a lot of relief and help relax those areas.